He laughed when she walked in, called her late for jury duty. The courtroom chuckled. But when the bailiff announced her title and she took the judge's seat in silence, the smirk vanished. Because that black woman wasn't here to be dismissed. She was here to deliver justice. The courtroom in Brookfield County was tense as always. A white officer, Deputy Mark Talbot, sat confidently at the plaintiff's table. He was there to testify in a misdemeanor case involving a young black defendant, one he'd arrested for resisting instructions. Before the proceedings began, a tall black woman in her 40s entered from the side door, wearing a sharp navy blazer and composed expression. She walked past the benches with calm confidence. Mark leaned over to the court clerk and whispered, "Is she lost? Jury duty's the other door." The clerk blinked. "That's Judge Simmons." He laughed, loud enough for the courtroom to hear. A few others chuckled nervously. Then the bailiff's voice echoed through the room. "All rise. The Honorable Judge Naomi Simmons presiding." Gasps. The room stood. Mark froze, still half sitting, half standing, unsure of what just happened. Judge Simmons took her seat with slow precision. Her eyes scanned the courtroom. Then they landed on him. "Deputy Talbot," she said evenly, "you'll be sworn in shortly. I suggest you wipe that grin off before you speak under oath in my courtroom." He straightened. The laughter died. As the hearing began, Judge Simmons dissected every inconsistency in Mark's arrest report. She asked about the missing body cam footage, the contradictory statements, the timeline that made no sense. Within 20 minutes, the defense had been validated, and Mark had been exposed. But she didn't raise her voice. She didn't need to. She rendered her verdict with surgical precision. The case was dismissed. The young man walked free. Outside, reporters swarmed the steps. Mark tried to slip away, but every camera turned toward Judge Simmons as she exited behind him, shoulders high, robe flowing, the image of everything he thought she couldn't be. That day, she didn't just dismiss a case, she dismantled a courtroom bias without saying a single angry word. Comment, "She sat in power," if this story proves that respect is earned in silence. Like the video, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more stories where Black authority redefines the room.